We live in a fast-paced world today, don't we? With all the fast gadgets and technologies like 5G, 10G, 20G, whatever. Yet at the same time, it feels or seems like time is slipping away. We often find ourselves too busy, right? Too busy to contemplate, on real issues and questions. We have very little time. Well, while things have been maybe slower in old days and faster in these days, but the fact of the matter is, time has always been moment to moment, right? Never changed. So it's moment to moment. There's no fast, there's no slow. It's moment to moment. There's no long, there's no short. It's moment to moment. People had moments then when they had a lot of time, so to speak, and people have moments now, right? It's just a moment. Whether we feel we have a lot of time or not, it's just a moment. Fast or slow. So here you can see our perception plays a significant role, right? Our perception plays a significant role in our lives in general, especially with time. Our perception misses seeing the momentary phenomena, right? That's called phenomena is changing. Phenomena is in the nature of change in every moment, but our perception misses that, right? We don't see that. We connect all the moments together and we see one thing, one phenomena, right? It's amazing. You see how much you miss, and how much you believe in what you saw. Seeing is believing is great. It's fine, right? But what we are believing, is that what we really see? That's the question here. If you're really believing in what you see, that's fine. Then you will see the momentary nature of reality change, So there's nothing wrong with that. Seeing is believing is okay. For now, I would say that premise I accept. That's fine. But question here, from all these scientific tests they have done on perception, and also all the teachings of the Buddha, when these two put together, the question here is, are our believing correspond to our seeing or not? If not, that we're believing in something totally made up of your thoughts, of your mind. Isn't that nice? That's basically what the whole world is right now. You can see.